G'day skate champions and welcome to Transition Tuesday Season 3 episode 23. Last week we did the Fakie backsmith and today we're going to try the Fakie frontsmith. It's a little bit harder, but I'm hoping it's going to lead me to doing just a regular frontsmith down the road because that's one that eludes me. We're going to try some of the other smith variations just to warm up, but let's get stuck in. So there's a couple of skaters at the park today and we were just taking turns as you should. So I didn't get in as many repetitions as I usually would. I think the hype from Mikhail and the other skaters was just really high and I was really amped for this one. I definitely struggled to find that pivot point going in with the backside just to warm up a little bit. I couldn't get my front trucks past the coping into the feeble position. I got a couple of axle stalls. So with time limited on the lunch break, I just went in for the front side and still just struggled to find that pivot point. Speed definitely played a part in this. I was doing a rock fakie on the other side and then trying to pump in, come back fakie. But once I did get that speed right, I was able to get to that coping, lock in pretty well. And there were a couple of occasions where I was able to get into the front feeble position. I was either over rotating or I just couldn't get past that mental barrier to drop back in from the front side position from that feeble, that little bit of extra distance past the coping. But as always, I just, I thought about I can physically get into that position and then just throw my shoulder back and commit to it and just get past it and I'm sure I'll be fine. That was always going through my head and I did it and I got 2 in a row, really happy with those. And then I went back and I tried to get the feeble, the smith, and the 50-50 or the axle stall on front side from Fakie. I don't think the axle stall was particularly great, but I'm pretty happy with that trifecta. Pretty happy with today's session. The weather held up pretty well. I thought it was going to rain. To get this trick so comfortably, I think I'm really happy with it. To be honest with you, I think it might have been easier frontside than backside last week. So that was a bit of a misconception for myself, but a nice surprise. That's it. Another trick down. I'll see you legends next week. Remember, keep skating, keep having fun, and of course, keep progressing. Take it easy. Go, go, go!